Good morning, guys. I just started my stream early today. Couple of good plays. KDLY twice short, long on NXTT, long on DATS, long on QBTS. Short on KDLY for the third time, this time from 2050. Waiting for 1750 or another 10%, 15%. NXTT at still struggling at 425, but let's see how far it goes. NXTT. So NXTT was a runner. I picked it up this morning at 4. Hasn't done yet. I just started trading, so. Welcome to live trading with HammerXTraders. And there's QBTS. QBTS is all the way at 12. 60%, guys, 60%. This morning, or 8 o'clock, it went from 11 to 12 like rocket. So it's all good. I picked up DATS this morning. That's a swing long. DATS is. DATS is gonna take its time, maybe a couple of days, maybe today, maybe another day, but it's ready for a run. Meantime, like I said, I am short KDLY, long in NXTT. Today market is going to, at least the big caps are going to run, guys. So NXTT was a 30-cent stock that went crazy on Friday, right? So KDLY has the same news. But having said that, NXTT came back from 6 something to $3. They're trying to push KDLY right here with the low volume, or trying to do the RSI, but just not enough. Just not enough. If it does, then 24 is the area. And 27 is the area to short. Where is our buddy COSM? COSM is still holding 41. That's not too bad. There's a range of KDLY from 2050 to 1860. Pretty good range. 1910 is like for sure. So if you want to make $1.50 on KDLY, it's like every 2 candles it's doing it. Crazy, isn't it? Already a couple of good trades. Brent, your mic has been off for a while. Because every time we turn it on, your mic is like on. I'm going to unmute it again. I just did. Okay, so Brent has muted his mic again. That's good. You guys, Michael, if you had picked up this QBTS, 60%.
That's Brent stock.
Mm-hmm.
Wow. What did he owns it? He owns it like in 50 cents or something.
Huh? Yeah.
Oh,
And
there you go.
And he
Good
owns
morning,
it.
guys.
good morning,
Hey,
Brent. How
there he
you
is.
doing?
Hey, Brett.
Hey,
D.
Mike. Long time.
How's it going? Yeah. How
All
you
good.
been? Good,
Working
good.
my ass off. I can't trade anymore.
Yeah, me too. I get up at 4 in the morning, so
Yeah, I
it's
tried
a
to hit it
grind.
before, and then I cut off. Um, hey, Raj, I don't mind you cutting my mic off because with my earpiece,
Uh-huh.
I can't control when I hit the button on it. It clicks me on.
I know. Every
So
time you get a call, I know.
yeah, yeah.
Okay,
Thank you.
thanks. At least you're aware.
Hey,
Okay.
hey, my heart's with y'all, man. I'm listening in.
Uh-huh.
And appreciate everything y'all do. And Raj, you're getting better and better, man. Not that you weren't great before, but you
Thank you.
you on
He's
Thank you.
top.
almost there.
Almost there.
That's it.
Did you
That's
guys
it.
see?
So in the background, I'm learning, right?
Uh,
I say learning. I'm
nice.
I'm really, when I'm going to be ready, I'm going to be ready.
Right, right.
So
DOMH,
good.
another one, Michael, Brent. I told you guys to pick it up under 350,
Yep.
and it's at 650. It's doubled.
Wow. Which ones
DOM.
you long on today, Raj?
So today I am long on DATS. This is a new swing. I picked it up. DATS. And
Okay.
NXDT is another long, and short on KDLY, and
Yeah.
swing long on QBTS, and DOMH. Both DOMH is also 60%, and QBTS is also 60%. Both of
On
them
B
swing.
Bravo Alpha, correct?
Uh, D as in dog. D
Oh, got it.
O M H. It's a Trump Jr. stock.
Okay.
Yeah, Trump Jr. So, yeah,
I like them Trumpers.
yeah. This is he's on the board of advisors, and he takes. I don't know if you know this, but every transaction happens, and he's going to Qatar and Saudi Arabia, and they are
Yeah.
going to buy his meme coins. Okay, but then he doesn't benefit if they buy the meme coin, but every transaction, like just like brokers take percentage.
Yeah.
So these guys will, the entire Trump family, Melania and Ivanka, and even what's his name, the youngest kid,
Yeah.
Baron.
Yeah, Baron.
Baron. Oh wow, look at that, Michael. Another
Yep.
10% on KDLY.
Oh, it's 8 o'clock.
Yep.
Don't go to 14.
Yeah,
No.
it should go to 14. So the deal is, I'll tell you guys. So DOMH could do something crazy. I'll tell you because they're gonna ask a couple $100 million worth of buys from people in Qatar and Saudis, and they're gonna do a digital coin transactions. Okay, for future favors, and that means the Trump don't make any money now, but they will make transaction money for now, and then when couple of years down, they can sell it and do all that stuff. So
Now that
that's
ought
why
to good, Raj. They just gave him a $400 million plane to borrow.
borrow.
Yeah.
Yeah, yeah, big
Mike
man.
probably had something to do with that deal. Mike, you transferred it yet? Tell us more.
Exactly. Exactly. Yeah.
Oh, the Democrats don't want him to keep it.
Yeah.
Mr. Trump, why don't you just let me borrow it? Fly back and forth.
And this is DOMH, right, Raj?
Say that again.
Yep. Yep.
This is DOMH that you were talking about,
Yeah,
right?
yeah, yeah.
As far as
D-O,
that's
yeah, yeah,
Trump's.
yeah, yeah.
Crypto's been running pretty well, so I'm sure anything related to that.
Yeah, yeah.
QBTS.
What is para 20? And BVE again running. Wow. No, NV is just selling. He's just selling for 3 days in a row. What is breaking out? CTMX. We shorted CTMX a couple days ago at 150. It's going to be very difficult to short anything in today's conditions with this everything top 5 tickets over 180% as of now pre-market. So got to pick your spot for longs or extremely high moves. ASSD still alive. Another crazy ticket. 18%. Next ad on KDLY is right at 2380. UPXI. Wow. That has run and it drops from 22. There is a number F15 also, but I don't think so. I'm gonna stay away from UPXI, guys. UPXI just not worth my time. We quit on this. We shorted a few times at 16. It's just not worth it. It's been holding this 13 and 12 area forever. Looks like UPXI is gonna run 50%. Yeah, it looks pretty solid. It's going to run, guys. UPXI just coming up with the volume. There's gonna be a fair value gap and then it's gonna run. I thought they were done with the drama 2 weeks ago, UPXI. but not the case. There'll be a dip and then probably just run today. So many tickets still. Gotta be careful.
Benzinger Pro Squawk has disconnected.
Don't disconnect, boy. So guys, I'll trade for like an hour now, and then I'll have to go have a meeting. And I'll be back later. BAOS was crusher, didn't move. There is the UPXI, should move up actually. Fair value gap. That's a fair value gap here. On UPXI, I doubt that it's gonna dip beyond this. Meantime, this one is just getting in an entry zone. It's KDLY. Now it's also getting in a dangerous territory as well.
Parrot 20.
What will they do here? That's quite high.
UPXI.
I'll swing this UPXIs because I feel like they've been playing a lot of game in this area. UPXI. Not today, then you'll do it another day. Everything is worth going long today. Seriously.
Parrot 40.
XTKG. XTKG. CMTX is another one. Probably will just shoot up. Would have a drastic game. CTMX, because this broke in this area of 152. After that is 270 on CTMX. So UPXI just cut my size after adding 24, 25 nearly. So I'm back to my smaller size position. Still 1,600 shares though. 1,600 shares, not bad. UPXI looks like we'll get to 16, 17 today. Last 3 times it failed. UPXI is almost 10% in money already. Wow. UPXI guys, 12% in money. Wow, look at that, 17% guys, and I am taking profit. Wow, I told you guys UPXI, if not today, it's going to run tomorrow. But guess what? It's already at 16, 20%. Another crypto news, UPXI has run in the past, guys. Look at that. UPXI. Solid 20%er. Meantime, there is a little bit of profit taking on, because I don't trust this, on KDLY. KDLY, I'm going to take some more profit. Oh, I just wanted to do it, I couldn't. But UPXI could be crazy today, guys, crazy. Okay, it is a crazy ticket, just FYI. Just made myself 20% on I still have good size. Let me cut some more actually. Sell 615. I just sold 600 more. There's 3%. I am going to take that 3% on KDLY for now. So KDLY should come down again into the 18s. So that one is, I'm not dully concerned. CTMX guys, CTMX. Look at CTMX is another one that I picked up this morning, almost 10%. Almost 10%. These are all freaking nuts. Pattern today, mostly it's going to be long. There you go. Leaving 1,200 shares in that one. Look at that, 17%. It's rocking. Everything we're picking is a gold. I should have actually been long on KDLY, to be honest, right now. I should bail out of KDLY, guys. I'm going to bail out. KDLY, I'm going to bail out. I just did. No more position in KDLY. I don't want to take chances with the short. Shorts are punks right now. Shorts are punks. CTMX, look at that, 100%, 18 million volume, 25%, 30% at 130. So only one that hasn't paid is NXTT on a long. Only one that has not paid is NXTT. Only one that has not paid. Look at that, 25%. I have 1,200 shares. And let's get rid of it at 205, at least 900 shares. Oh, wow. There you go. Coming up. 28%, guys. So only one that's not running. There you go. 33% on CTMX. Wow. Everything is long. Only one, NXTT is the only one that has not paid. $4 average is still 3.82 in negative, 4% in negative. What is it? NXTT. 4% in negative. That's where I am. But nice one on UPXI. Like I said, I have tons of longs. QBTS. 60%. KDLY, I have a feeling it's going to do another 18. I just bailed out for now. I just don't want to be in it for now. but very nice on CTMX. CTMX, I just told you guys it will break that area. Next is 277, so 2 is not even a number. 2 is not a number. Minor number. CTMX should run even more. Let me show you why CTMX is not a number. NXTT, if that can pay, that would be a perfect morning. CTMX. So let me show you why I picked this 150. You don't see anything, right? After, right here? Nothing, right? 14 million volume this morning. Look at this. Again, 150s right here. Then the next number is 287. 287. Guys, I built out of KDLY. I don't want to do this. Shorts are dangerous propositions. But, like I said, look at this. How many shorts I was able to do it. 1, 2, 3, and then possibly, this was only 3% though. The last one was 3%, the first 3 were 10%, 10%, and almost 20%. 20%, 10%, and 10%. Enough. You gotta pick your spot. You cannot be in a play all day long. NXTT, like I said, I have not bailed out of my long yet, but not looking good. NXTT, there you go. Still holding 2%.
UPXI is coming back down.
Let me see. I sold majority of my size, so I'm good. That's good. Another probably pop. This is another one that's gonna run, and this runs crazy, guys. Wow, I should have been long in KDLY. I thought 2350 was the number to short on KDLY after this bounce, but the cryptos are too strong, I guess. I'll pick up 500 shares on more on UPXI if it gets to 1250, because it keeps running from 1250. This UPXI 1250 to 16 has been a norm, a very norm. 2 million volume, it's still behaving. It's as if it A+. CTMX can go far. I have a very little size left in it, so it's going to be really badass. I have like, you won't believe it, 300 shares. That's all I got left. I have more size in UPXI than I have in CTMX. CTMX, I only have 300. I got to pick up some. But when you make 30%, 35%, you're going to get rid of all your size, right? CTMX. Who did? Buru filed for some 100 million, what? Guys, Buru could be another long. But Buru is coming up with a reverse split, isn't it? Is it not? If I with 100 million something, guys. I gotta find out that news, what that news is. Buru. So Buru, oh, never mind. Offering. Never mind. Oh my God, look at CTMX. No size and 60%. No size. No size and it's freaking 60%. I knew 270 was coming on that one. Meantime, oh, this one is not paying. NXTT. CTMX. Wow, look at CTMX. Oh boy.
There's 270.
Yep, it is 270. 277 is the number. UPXI will come up with some volume later in the market time. It should run. That'd be perfect buy around 12, 12.10, 12.20. I haven't bought anything since I closed it on most of my size at 16. I bought it at 12.40. So 12.40 to 16 is what I did. Just have a small size, but I will buy back UPXI again, guys. Like I said, I will leave it even if it doesn't run today. I'll leave it again still. That's what I did with UPXI. But I will buy back again UPXI, no doubt. If I can get some move out of NXTT with the 47 million volume, life would be perfect. BTCS, no size in there at all. 455 this morning. What's the news on BTCS? Why did it drop so bad? Shares of crypto related companies. BTCS looks like an offering, guys. BTCS looks like an offering. I wouldn't buy BTCS unless it was even lower. NXTT. NXTT is annoying. 8% out of money. Doesn't look like it wants to, but it's bottom of the RSI, so this is the time not to get scared. Thank you. Guys, I'll trade for another 30 minutes. Then I have an appointment for a couple hours. It's almost 3 hours. Work related, so I'll be like really busy, and I pretty much close most of my positions except unless they're swing longs or longs or whatever. I'll keep an eye on them on the phone, but I would try to get back. Okay, I would try to get back and trade some more with you guys. With the market like this, there's going to be a crazy, I mean, right now, top 5 tickets, would you believe it is 220% top 5 tickets. We're going to have a hard time with shorts. Shorts going to be difficult. So UPXI, I've seen it go from 12 to 16, 15, 60 is like the most common thing in like 1.5 weeks. Just take a look. Every freaking day it's going that far. Again, so you guys know, I was just explaining if you did not hear me earlier. Trump taking a trip to Middle East, and his families and his followers are heavily invested into cryptos, meme coins. He has his own meme coins, right? Melania has it, Trump has it. Erica's on board of 2 companies. There's World something, and I mean, you guys would know one is called DOMH. So I was looking at the detailed reports on it. The way they're dealing with it is you want to be on the right side of the Trump. Again, I'm not going to get into political stuff, but if you want to be it's like almost like, you cannot do the cash transactions and things like that, right? So cryptos, everybody knows what cryptos are, right? It cannot be tracked and this and that. At least there's no good existing system with so many meme coins. It's not like $1, you know, that you can track it. So Saudis and UAE people are going. They actually already have. Some guy like bought like $300 million worth of meme coin of Trump, even before his trip. The biggest number of investment you have access to Trump or dinners and XYZ. So all that to us doesn't matter. What matters is that's what the focus is, cryptos. So NXDT started that. Everybody else is keeping up with it. CTMX is therapeutic, so that's a little bit different. UPXI, BTCS I feel like probably is a pickup at 220. But I might take 220 here. Let me see dailies here. Yeah, so BTCX goes to 465 and the bottom is 130. So 220 and then 178. 178 is the most ideal buy on BTCS as a swing. KDLY at 2650. That's another one that's just zooming up right now. I got out of my shorts. I did 3 shorts, 4 shorts for that matter. The third one was only 3%. I was like lucky enough to say bail out. I'll pick up 1,000 shares of UPXI at 12.20 and forget about it. There's 390 and almost 1% in negative on NXDT. I want to say I want to bail out, but I'm not. I am not. Okay. NXDT, like I said, look at that. I am flat right now. I can walk away with almost no loss. Having said that, I'm not big enough size in that one. When it starts running, I'll pick it up. But right now, you can see NXDT right now is like flat for me. That's my average right there. You know? So not big enough size though. Not big enough size for me to worry about it, even if it goes to 4. FRGT. There, look at that. FRGT would be short. FRGT would be short. This sucker would be short. Because FRGT is usually a good short at 190, guys. Oh, I think I missed it. Again, $1 million worth of coins and cryptos and tokens or whatever, right? FRGT. 1 hour. 1 hour is good. Right at 208. 208. Again, $1 million token. Man, this is nasty stuff. $1 million token will run this much. That was an entry, guys. That was an entry.
Power 40.
53%. 1.2 million. It's a short. This one is a short. FRGT is a short. There you go. 10%. 10% just got hit. 13% just got hit on FRGT. 13% gain, guys. FRGT was a short. Sad news of a million. I will do it again. I just got 200 shares left. That's all I gotta do. Because I'm trying not to play, guys, because I have to leave, right? I have to leave. So I have appointment. But 215, 210 is a good short. FRGT. It just walked up again after giving 13%. This is short again. You'd short it, you'd make money again, guys. Look at that. That's another 15, 20% just now. I told you. Now get rid of it. If it keeps holding, guys, look at that. It's gone. I am going to sell even my 200 shares. I am all out. If FRGT has a weak news, like really weak, okay? Just because cryptos are running, these people like came up with the 1 million token. I mean, are you kidding me? Are you seriously kidding me? FRGT, we played it 2 days ago or last week or something like that. Thursday, Friday, whatever. Not Thursday, Thursday, I believe. 220 was a short. I'm not even asking. I don't know. My room is like so freaking quiet. You guys haven't even said what you're taking, what you're not taking, guys. FRGT was a short. You would have made it twice. Big numbers. You can short it again, even third time. You can even short it the third time, guys. It's still up 40%. Take a number on there, and that is the one short right there. $2.02 right here, guys. I can even put up a line for you guys right there. That's the area to short. And you guys want to bail out of NXDT? I mean, there is 47 million volume, but it's not running right now. But if you want to do it later, when it starts running, it will go back to 5. It will go back to 5 when it starts picking up momentum. So, and I traded Friday after hours just for one time, $4 to $4.87 exact. CTMX gave back from 273, guys. Wow. Unfortunately, it doesn't bother me because I have only 100 shares, so it doesn't really bother me at all. But that was a brilliant 60%er, CTMX. Look at that. FRGT is back. You can short it. It's a good short. It's a good short. There's 5 million volume. Nah. They're not worth it. That news is not worth it. And you can play $2 and the next one is 230 area. And it's going to give you in like one candle. It's a freight company, you know, trying to do Bitcoin something. It's just nasty stuff. See, look at that. Another 2 would have made you, and will make you, if it gets to 180 again, it will make you that money, guys.
FRGT. Parrot 20.
There you go. It's making money after money here, guys. I even took it again. Would have done it 3 times for you guys, FRGT. And FRGT done the 235, 245, 265. So it's not a big deal. And the news is very shoddy. Very shoddy news. Look at that. Is it not another 10%? Only one that's not doing anything, and I think I'm gonna get rid of NXTT. There's your 10% again, guys. I told you. So I did that. You would have done it too. FRGT is crazy good. Crazy good, guys. You would have done it 3 times. I did it 2 times. Take a look right there, 2 times. You guys
There's
can
the
play this.
UPX.
Say that again.
There's UPXI in the 12 range.
Yeah, UPX is at 12. And then again, it's not going to be probably, if it doesn't run today, just leave it over there. It's 19-20%, leave it. That's the area to buy and leave it. If you're tied for cash, don't buy it. Don't buy it at the end of the day. If you're not stopped for cash, you can buy it and leave it. I have bought it, just so you guys know. I'm down to 300 shares on FRGT again. So guys, if you want to bail out of NXTT, it's a 4, all right? 395, 397, you can bail out. If you need to, that is. If you went long with me and you want to get rid of it, that's your place. So I have another 10-15 minutes, and I probably wouldn't want to get into any other trades. Again, guys, please like, subscribe, and enjoy our channel, HXTT HammerXTraders. Massive morning, guys. Thank you for that massive morning. No losses, period. NXTT is back at 404. You're into UPXI. UPXI is a couple of percent in money again. Like I said, UPXI probably is a swing. I haven't even taken a single swing position out yet. Like QBTS 60%, DOMH 60%. I haven't taken anything out of them yet. Of course, I've taken them out when they were 11. Look at this, what's happening with FRGT. FRGT is giving you money like crazy, guys. So, again, thank you. Please like, subscribe, and share. If you're not positive, you're just not positive, okay? As to what we do, you would never be satisfied anywhere. Of course, it's up to you. I mean, but if you want some good trades with us, you can join us every morning. If you're skeptical, hey, that's how it goes for you. We do have a 93% win strategy. I mean, I can put up all the charts for you. everything that we have done. I'm saying everything is long. Look at NXDT, 4% in money. Do you not see it? Right there. Take a look. Is it not freaking 4% in money? I can walk away. I have 7,000 shares in it. I can walk away. I'm about to take some. I'm about to take 4,500 shares. Gets into the 20s. Meantime, look where I'm closing my 170. Look at that. That's where I'm closing. MBRX has not run in a long time. So plenty of good plays, lots of good plays this morning, guys, lots. And I told you FRGT is the only short so far, besides KDLY when it hit 26 the first time. So it's time to go ahead and close all of my FRGT. I'm about to do good 7-8% on long on NXTT. I should actually take it right now. I will take it before it does that. So just about 2,000 shares left in NXTT. I think NXTT will run, should get to 487. Just be patient. I gotta close my positions. I gotta leave. So let me show you the charts. So NXTT, right? You see that? DOMH. Look at that. That is 60% right there. 60% right there. FRGT, 1 short, 2 short. Tremendous 15%. What else? QBTS, 60% as well. FRGT, you already know that. DATS, DATS, I have picked it up, DATS as a swing. So that's good. DATS should come up running sometime today, tomorrow, whenever, right? UPXI, guys, look at that. I picked it up nicely from 1250 right here, sold it at 1560. There is your NXTT. So if you're looking to get paid on NXTT, go ahead, get paid here, guys. It's 430, but the 430 is the entry, actually. Believe it or not, 430 is the freaking entry. It's going to 87. It's going to 87. All right. That's your 10%, but that's going to 487, $5. It will grind it up. Right now, it's an RSI. So if you play RSI, this is the perfect place to tell, sell, and reload again. This is your RSI. So it's going to do it. And that's exactly what it's doing, right? You see that? Went to 35, dropped to 410. At this point, I went from 7,000 shares to 300 shares. Here's my 300 shares. 396. Greg, you missed out a lot. There's NXTT probably perhaps is going to go long up to 485. Most of the things are going to be long. You have top 5 tickets today at 200%. When you have market like that, you're going to have a very difficult time shorting. This is where you're going to lose. You know, you guys know that, been in our room for a long time, and how I say our best wins happen as a short when the stocks are between 55 and 65. The minute it gets to 80% for top 5 gappers, it gets difficult. And so pick your shorts wisely. Pick your shorts wisely. And longs are the way to go today.
Good morning.
Good morning. Again, I think Brent is talking to somebody.
Yeah, sorry about that, guys.
I was like, he said good morning again. I'm like, all right.
That's my mic.
Yeah, when you talk.
Shut me off. I'm just gonna listen in. Thank you, Ross.
All right, buddy. So yeah, beautiful morning, guys. Again, does it even matter if I tell you how much I've made? Does it? I don't think so. But you can take at least 7 plays, 6 long, three shorts, and 6 longs. 6 longs this morning. So UPIX was long. Here was CTMX. CTMX. That was a long. Okay, here we go. Take a look where it was a long. Right there. I went long at 150. Where did I sell it? 210s. And where did I sell the last one? 260. So CTMX. I have 100 shares. Like I said, not worried about it, what it does. I can pick up another long probably somewhere. What else you want to know? I'll tell you what else I traded. FRGT, KDLY. You want to see KDLY? Take a look. KDLY. It's going now. I mean, it's long, but luckily I shorted once. I shorted, so here you are. Shorted once, shorted twice, shorted 3 times, bailed out. 3% bailout. Now it's going 28. Again, you can pick up NXDT again. That's the area to pick it up. Wow, KDLY 700%. Shorts are going to be difficult. Shorts are going to be difficult.
CTMX RSI play as well.
Which one?
CTMX.
CTMX, yes. CTMX is going to be an RSI play. Yep. Remember, it's a 37 million volume. I expect it to run. I expect it to run back to 277 again. Or at least 250, okay? So it should run. Best buy, obviously, is 184, 185. CTMX should run. It's 119%. It should run. Okay. Plenty of volume, plenty of interest. It should run. I mean, you can build position at 2 and then the next one buy at 169. But make sure that you don't buy huge size where you lose all your gains from in the morning if you did the long. But it's about to run. It's about to go to 240, 237. It has a plenty volume. And then one time, let me assess it one more time. Let me look at the dailies. Okay, so once it breaks 288 and goes to the 320, don't expect it to come down. Okay, there would be a dip, but that is going to go crazy. 456 after 280, 290. 290 is the exact number to break on CTMX. Meantime, you're going to get some dips and XYZ and fantastic dips on CTMX. But CTMX is going to run. Another run is coming on CTMX to 37.38s.
Good morning, guys.
Hey, good morning, buddy.
Hey, good morning, Raj.
How you doing, buddy?
Good, how are you?
Good, good, good. I traded early. I posted in the place over there.
Just going through the chart.
Yeah. There's a 10% in money. Almost, guys. Almost. It is 10%. And it is 7,000 shares. So I'm going to take 6,000 shares right now on CTMX. I mean, of course, you guys can see it. I had it. I bought it right there. Sold it at 227, 10%.
Still running because they're offering 100 million shares, $30.
No, that's an old news. It's running because of the cryptos. They have also, it's being a therapeutic company, they're still investing into digitals, whatever, portfolios. So I am going to be all out again, all done. I was gonna buy a 184. I said 237 is gonna happen, so it's near 230, 10%, $2, whatever, right? You get it done with. It is at 232, you don't see it? Is it 237, Norb? It is.
Yep.
It is 237. I said 277, it made it 273 in the morning as well. So plenty of longs. Again, we are one of the rare rooms that's going to tell you. You guys remember ASST? We went 19 times long. Look what happened at 237. But having said that, that's a dip buy again. RSIs, dip buys, CTMX. CTMX is a dip stuff. Right at the RSI, it's going to do it. Be careful. I'm not going to be around at least for 3 hours. But reminding folks that ASST last week, we were long 8 times the first day, 9 times the second day. Not even one short. So we do know how to pick our longs.
Parrot 20.
Look at that. CTMX. Told you, we'll bounce right away. UPXI guys, leave it as a swing. Should be fine. 19% is not going to make it run right away, but if you get 15 today, sell it again. Sell it again. Guys, I have to take off. It's 9 o'clock and I have to get ready. And I'll see you guys back in the room. Possibly if I get done by 11:30 or something, I'll be back. That's when you can expect me. But I know I'm going to be gone for at least 3 hours. At least 3 hours. So thank you guys, and I'll see you later. Again, who wants to lead the room? Amita is still out. Anybody's interested in leading the room? Again, flip on the long side most of the time. Occasionally A plus, only A plus, guys. Only A plus if the volume is less than 5 million.
20.
Doesn't matter. Wait for the 50% or 40%. Short it. See a good level and short it. And immediately take your profit, get out, close it. Don't hold for forever drop. Today is not the day. All right? Today is not the day. So I'll see you guys later. All right. Thanks, Michael. Take care, guys.
All right, thanks, Raj. Have a good one.
Yeah, I'll
See
be
you,
back.
Raj.
I'll be back. Thanks, Nora. I'll be back.